heads-up display. It's got a tack.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Dude, this thing starts pulling hard. Holy crap. I've rode in a Z06.
That was with me paddle shifting it. It shifts on it. When it shifts on its own, it's...
Dude, I rode in a Z06 that didn't feel that fast. A new one, the LT4.
That's what this one is.
Why does this feel faster?
They're fast.
This thing feels faster than a Z06.
All right, I'm going to get on it.
All right, that's fine.
Put it in race mode on the ELSD.
Will it leave every traction control and everything on?
No, it's all the way off.
Oh.
Active handling, everything's off. 80, 90, 100. It's 100, almost 140.
Just floor it drive.
Floor drive?
Yeah, just floor it. Yeah, it'll go.
Spinning.
This thing is fast.
Oh yeah. You can go into your settings, hold on, and go down right here, my options. I can adjust my line lock, traction control, high, see like this is high traction.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get in here. Launch RPM, custom launch RPM. Let's just set it up to 2400 and see what it does. Slip target, we're gonna put it at, we're not gonna let it slip hardly any at all.
There's a car.
Cool. Let's get back in here. And we're off. Ooh, that's weird. This road's bumpy.
It's that Mustang.
Alright, let me get out of that.
Man, dude.
That was weird.
It slipped too much, more than it wanted to, I think.
We'll have to figure out the sweet spot on that.
Yeah, it didn't like...
But, I mean, honestly, it probably won't even honestly get used once I get a set of tires put on here. Oh my god. Oh shit.
Oh. Is it fast?
Yeah.
Hey, after it stopped spinning, it got way faster, didn't it?
Yeah,
As soon as it stopped spinning, it said, oh shit, oh fuck.
I gotta quit paddle shifting because I keep letting it rev out too long.
Because it pulls so hard, you can't think.
It pulls so fast that I'm
you
trying
can't,
to watch
yeah,
the road.
You can't think, and then out of nowhere, you're on the rev limiter. Just slap it over and drive when you're done shifting.
Yeah. And we're off.